Miftahul Jannah. I am usually called Anna. I'm a student of the Faculty of Psychology, Mercu Buana University. My goal in making this video is to fulfill the assignment in English language listened to taught by Mrs. Dewi Anggraini, S.Pd, M.Hum. In this video, I will give my opinion about Modul Session 4. In the session Module 4, I learn about vocab, conversation, language training, and listening. As we know that English is universal language, English is used in business, everyday, education, working, operating computers, and playing games. The aim is to facilitate communication with other people from various countries, so that my weaknesses that are not good at English have many benefits from learning Modul Session 4 in English language lesson 2, such as having new knowledge, understanding good communication method, using good language, one of the best source for developing reading skills in English, and questions. The questions in this session 4 are relatively easy at the secondary level compared to having to read a research journal. But learning English is not easy. The obstacle I experienced by studying this session 4 module was that with my weaknesses, I didn't know the meaning of each number of question, so I had to change it in Indonesian, which might require time and difficulty digesting and listening. That's all my opinion. If there are words, sentences, or opinions that are less pleasant or inappropriate in the use of English, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.